So in this video, we'll be learning about pips. Okay, so the full meaning of pip is percentage in price or price interest point. So either of these is the full meaning of pip, and a pip is the smallest whole unit price move that the currency pair can make. It's the smallest change in price by 4 decimal places. So if the price moves from 0.0001 to 0.0002, it means the price has moved 1 pip. If it moves 0.0001 to 0.0003, it means it has moved 2 pips. Okay, and then we have what we call the pipettes or the points. Now this is the smallest change in price by 5 decimal places, by 0.00001. So if the price moves from 0.0001 to 0.00002, it means the price has moved 1 pipette or 1 point. Now there are 10 pipettes or 10 points in 1 pip. Okay, there are 10 pipettes in 1 pip. So that's the basic idea of pip and pipette. Most of our lecture or most of our studies in this course, or calculations or analysis, will be in pip. Okay, will be in pip, and pipette is a little bit too minute, too little to look at. So most of our work will be done with pips. Okay, we'll be doing most of our calculations in pips. How many pips this, how many pips that. So you can hear a trader say they made 40 pips, 50 pips, they made 10 pips. The spread is 5 pips. So it's basically the unit of movement of price. So when price moves by 4 decimal places, it means it has moved a pip. So we're just going to come to trading view once more. Come to trading view, and then now you can see that the current price for GBP USD is 1.20673. We can testify that this is 5 decimal places. So it's been analyzed down to the last point, okay, or down to the last pipette. Okay, so we can see 3 pipette here. So when the price moves from 1.20673 to 1.20683, it means the price has moved 1 pip. If it moves from 7 to 9, it means it has moved 2 pips. Okay, so that's basically the idea of pips and pipettes. So when we enter trades as traders, we often want to make as much pips as we can. Okay, because the more pips you make, the more profits you make. The more pips you make, the more profits you make. Okay, so that's the basic idea of pips, and the next video we'll be learning about more terminologies. See you there.